The SM7x4 is state-of-the-art simulator intended for training with rocket anti-tank grenade launcher RPG-7. It is based on a high-efficient computer equipment allowing for complete and realistic reproduction of combat conditions and for precise simulation of grenade flight. The simulator uses real RPG-7 grenade launchers, having some additional components built in. Each weapon is equipped with 2 or more grenades with installed identifying mechanisms, providing a possibility to train the weapon reloading with a new grenade. The simulator comprises instructor workplace, screen and projection system depicting the virtual reality, high-precision laser beam aiming detection system, sound reproduction system, and modified grenade launchers. A serious problem attendant on simulator systems training is that the trainees memorize the exercises preliminary prepared and supplied with the simulator. The effective solution for this problem is the simulator built-in task editor. Using the task editor, the instructor can create a completely new and unfamiliar for the trainees exercise in less than a minute. One of the most important objectives of firing training is to achieve good aiming technique. The SM7x4 simulator is based on laser beam aiming detection system, measuring weapon direction with accuracy within 0.03 degrees, thus far exceeding the precision requirements for this type of weapons. An automatic calibration procedure is implemented in the aiming detection system to avoid possible displacement errors. The hit and the results depend on the exact detection of weapon direction at the moment of the shot, and also under what conditions the grenade flies to the target. For that reason the SM7x4 gives particular attention to the simulation of the grenade's flight, thereby providing a possibility of firing training at hard conditions, for example at strong wind. The environmental parameters are of vital importance to the grenade launcher firing. Some factors like wind and temperature are directly influencing the grenade flight. Others worsen visibility and therefore the aiming. S7x4 supports all basic weather conditions, night and fog modifiers, and direct setting of some numerical parameters. The simulator is supplied with large set of 3-dimensional armored and non-armored vehicles models, as well as other target types, helicopters, bunkers, etc. Target models include not only their visual characteristics, but also information for their vulnerability in different zones. The diversity of models allows for training not only technical skills, but also fast target detection and recognition. With that end in view, during scenario creation, the instructor has to assign the target according to its type as friend or foe, and set the proper criteria for firing evaluation. After the end of the exercise, the system automatically prepares results report, including information for each missile launch, the mistakes committed, and the total score. If necessary, the report can be printed and stored as official document or saved in a file. The instructor is able to set the criteria that form the score, allowing the use of the specific evaluation system in use in the country customer. The simulator SM7x4 is implemented in following variants: English, French, Russian, and Bulgarian. The user interface could be translated in other languages by request. Certainly, the simulator firing could not entirely replace the real weapon firing. But, as practice shows, using simulator systems in training carries many advantages, and some of the most important are listed below. As we know, the range firings go along with considerable expenses for ammunitions, transport, equipment wear and so on. Using the simulator reduces expenses without compromising and even raising quality. The simulator gives an opportunity to put the trainee in situations that are difficult to achieve using the firing ground resources. The exercises requiring fast recognition of targets appearing by surprise, firing in urban conditions, and firing at helicopters may serve as an example. The firearms training is always pursued by the risk of incorrect or careless operation, especially on behalf of inexperienced trainees. By means of the simulator, the instructor can keep a close watch for improperly adopted safety habits, and proceed to real firings only when they are acquired by the trainees.